Want to personalize your Zoho CRM to match your company's identity? Here's how to configure company settings the right way. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more business tech tutorials. Start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Setup and your general click on Company Details. This is where you'll enter key information like your company name, phone number, website, and address. Make sure everything here reflects your actual business info. Next, set your time zone, locale, and currency. These settings ensure that your CRM timestamps and currency formats are accurate for your region. To upload your company logo, stay in the same section and click the Upload button under the logo field. A clear professional logo will appear on your invoices, emails, and portal views. If you want to personalize fiscal year settings, scroll down and click Fiscal Year. You can choose the month your fiscal year starts in, perfect if your business doesn't follow the calendar year. To set business hours or holidays, go back to Setup, then under Company Settings, select Business Hours or Holidays. You can define work hours, time off, and holidays to make automation smarter. For security and compliance, review the data sharing settings and audit logs in the same menu to control how data is accessed and monitored within your team. That's it. Your company settings in Zoho CRM are now configured and tailored to your business. Hit that like button if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy CRM tutorials.